on the Isle of Lewis, and amidst this beautiful scenery, I thought I would just show you my Shimoda backpacks and show you around them. So these are the Explore 40s, and there's two of them here. One's sea pine and one's blue nights. So just different colours, the same backpack. One's actually got the women's straps on and one's actually got the men's straps on. So I'm going to show you the difference between them. Now I've been looking for a backpack that fits me for the best part of 16 years I've been photographing. And the more landscape work that I do and the more hiking and, you know, travelling out onto beaches where you want to have everything with you, the more I see the need to have a backpack that fits everything in. So that's the kit, as well as all the extra bits, so, you know, stuff that you need for the day as well. And as soon as I found these backpacks, it was just wonderful, absolutely wonderful. Not only are they amazing colour, which really suits me, but they are also water resistant and really hard wearing. The material's really hard wearing, so I love them. So I'm just going to show you around this one, which is the one that I've got all my kit in just now. So we have on the side, first of all, there's this amazing little pocket here. You can open that up. It's a little bit big for a water bottle, but what I do is I pop my tripod in, and you can pop your tripod in there like this. Okay. And then it's got little clasps here, so you can just literally clip that there. It's a bit big at the moment, and around there as well, and it just keeps it nice and tidy. So these bags are great for attaching extra things to them. There's all sorts of little clips and attachments. It's much more made as a outdoor adventure bag. It's really, really practical, so if you're outdoors a lot, it's just perfect. So this one has the women's straps. Now what's amazing about Shimoda is that they've actually made a backpack for women. Or they have these are detachable straps, so you can choose to have the men's option or the women's option. So this is the height adjustable harness. What's really great about this bag is that it's been made with 3 different settings, so it accommodates different heights of your torso basically. So it's fantastic for smaller women with shorter torso lengths. We've got small, medium, large, extra large, and all you do is detach these and pop them on a different setting according to what fits you best. I'm tall, so I have it on extra large, and it works perfectly for me. I'm going to pop it on so you can see the difference. Okay, so essentially the women's straps has 2 straps here and here, which keeps the pressure in the right points for women, and then you have a waist belt as well here. So once this is on, there's absolutely no weight. These straps, this is both the men's and women's. They have pockets on the front of the straps, so you have really easy access. This is meant to be for a mobile phone. I'll pop mine in, and it just about fits in. That's an iPhone 11, so it does fit in there. It's nice and secure. You could also put your phone in this, and I tend to put it in this side. It's easier, it's quicker access in there. But you could also pop a small water bottle maybe in there. So I'll just go through the pockets. On the front, there's a big zip here that opens. It opens actually all the way round. You can actually get a laptop in there, but it's really meant for like soft stuff, because you'll end up putting the bag down here on that way on the floor. So I put all my waterproofs and waterproof cover for the bag. Anything soft goes in there. There is another pocket here where you can also stuff a load of soft stuff down there. But the best thing about this bag is the front here. In the top pocket, which is my favourite pocket, it's got loads and loads of room. Bags of room for lots of things. It has zipped up mesh. I often put my little Shimoda card case in here, so that is nice and organised, and that sits in the top. I keep my audio kit in there, so I know it's there, and I'll keep my spare batteries in that pocket, and then lots of room for other things in there as well. And it's really easy, quick access to it. So the volume of space in here and the organisation I find really handy. So now the Shimoda opens magazine style. So it's to the side. Most bags open that way. This one opens this way. I find this amazing because I'm always putting my bag down on a beach. So this opens just like this, and we have a pocket for a 13-inch laptop, so that's quite nice and padded there. The back is really padded and just really, really comfortable on your back as well. So inside, just to let you know what I'm carrying in one of these 40-litre Explore bags, gives you an idea of what I'm getting in. I'm carrying my Fuji GFX with a 250mm lens, and that's because I use this lens most often, so that one stays on the camera. It's quite a big camera, but it fits nicely. I also have in here a 23 lens, extension tubes and teleconverter. I also carry a leaf filter system in this padded bag because it's orange, so it's easy to find. It's different from the blue of everything else, and I use it all the time. It's a leaf filter system. I've got my filter system, my filter and cable release all in this bag, so I can always find it. Okay, and that fits really nicely down this pocket as well. And we still have room for a little Shimoda. They do little accessory bags, so I tend to keep one with all my spares and cleaning and anything that I might need when on a day out, really. So that sits nicely into there. I'll show you inside so you can see how that's fitting. That's a large core unit. So the zip pulls have these lovely genuine leather pulls at the end, so they're really easy to grasp when you've got cold hands or you've got gloves on. And the zips themselves have this little extra bit of protection, so it keeps the water out even more, and also I find it's really good for keeping sand out of the zip. So what I love about this bag most of all is that it's made of this resin coated nylon fabric, and because I'm a beach photographer, I'm always on beaches, you always end up putting the bag down on the front, and then when I come to get back to the van or finish the shoot, I've got this brush, and all I do is simply brush it off. It's easier when it's dry, but just to show you, it's just literally brushes away the sand like that, and then we're back to a clean bag ready to go again. Okay, so that is the Shimoda system. I think they're a fabulous range of bags. They also do different styles and different colours, they're not all blue. There's black as well, and there's also the smaller 30-litre and the new Action X series as well, which is fantastic. But I hope you enjoyed this, and it gave you a bit of an insight into Shimoda bags.